It changed how I look for talent that I want to bring into an organization. I tend to index pretty heavily to folks that have gone through any level of CFI training.
The certification really allowed me to now be in a strategy role, and it's the best role I've ever had.
Since earning my CFI certification, it has truly elevated my career. I have changed my workplaces and applied for a higher position. Really helped me add value to my resume and just my career in general. It helped me get a better position at work.
I think they really take any finance topic and make it so that anybody can understand.
Now I feel confident jumping into financial conversations and tasks and opportunities, like generally speaking. I'm at another completely different level in my financial knowledge.
For me, I learn best by doing, not necessarily by, watching a podcast or a training video. And so the fact that they married those two together, where you've got kind of this theoretical, practical application, watching them do it, and then the requirement to have you also do some of that work was just really, really incredible.
First option I was going for was CFA license, but when I came across CFI and I saw I could learn more technical skills with it, not just the formulas or book skills, that's what attracted me the most. And how we don't have to take 6 months of courses or something. We can watch short videos and apply those videos with a real world application.
CFI has equipped me to ask questions and really be uncomfortable, learn new topics. So in the program, discounted cash flows and 3-statement models, there were some of new topics for me that at first I was a little uncomfortable, didn't really understand, but just taking one class at a time and being able to go on my own pace, it really gave me the confidence to know if new challenges come, with new financial situations, that I can handle that.
It's one of the best things you can do for your career if you're in finance.
It is going to be the most beneficial thing you've probably ever done to help you either get a foot in the door in your career or just expose yourself to new ideas, new concepts.
What I would say to someone that is considering taking a CFI certificate and is on the fence, go for it.